Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Tuesday, 24th day of June is today, 2025. Benue killings. Leaked DSS memo shows Nigerian military was alerted weeks before Herdsmen attack. Let me repeat that. Benue killings. Leaked DSS memo shows Nigerian military was alerted weeks before the Herdsmen attack, before the terrorist attack. Now, I want you to pause a minute and think about this. Weeks, according to the memo, according to the information, it was 2 weeks, 5 days. 2 weeks, 5 days interval before they came to kill the Benue people. DSS told the military, these people are planning to come and kill. By the way, it was civilians as well that told the DSS. Look at the information. DSS verified it that yes, it is true. Now, there is something dangerous, so dangerous here. Because anytime there is an intelligence about insecurity, Nigerians will help the military to downplay it until people lost their lives. Example, day before yesterday when the American consulate in Nigeria published that, look at people who are American citizens should be very careful. You know, Nigerians help government to talk down the advice from the consulate. They forget that by this time last month, there was a suicide bomber in Abuja. They forget about that. They are forgetting that people are dying every day. If nature should put you in a position of these people who are dying, you will now say, God forbid. So these people that are dying, do they merit the death? Is it their portion? This is what you should think about and have conscience for one day. Now, this is a serious thing. If Nigeria is a country, because I don't regard this place as a country anymore. If Nigeria is a real country, the military chief will resign, CDS Musa will resign. He's supposed to be facing disciplinary committee now. If it is in China, CDS should be facing, killing squad. What is it called? Firing squad. CDS supposed to be facing firing squad if Nigeria is like China. If it is Iran, they will behead him. If it is USA, they will sack him and put him on a lot of questioning will follow it. If it is in North Korea, they will bury you alive. If it is in Russia, they will jail you. If it is in Nigeria, they will promote you. Then what is all this collusion all about? Remember in the year 2023 December, there was a letter sent by these terrorists that they are coming to annihilate the people of Plateau State. They told the military, these people are coming to kill us, prepare. When these people came to kill them, the Plateau people gave the military 33 distress calls. 33 distress calls. The military did not respond. The attack went on for good 3 consecutive days. Their governor left them with the attack and went to Lagos to visit Tinubu for Christmas. I don't know what they are doing. Now, the DSS is now indicting the military. We sent a memo to you that this killing is going to happen. And later, the CDS Musa was in Benue talking rubbish. As far as I'm concerned, if military got the intelligence before the attack, everything CDS is saying is rubbish. And if, for example, nature finds me in a position of president of a country, CDS should be in detention now. The whole military hierarchy should be removed immediately. But Nigeria is not a real place. Nobody will do that. Nobody will do that. Nigeria is not a real place. And I find it difficult to express my feelings because most Nigerians don't know anything about what we talk about. They don't understand that military got an intelligence that there is a very great massacre coming to people. The military downplay it. CDS confessed, I am quoting him now, that some army are colluding with the terrorists, giving them information. CDS says so. There is a big problem, a very big problem. There is no how people will continue to pretend. Election can't change this. Election, and then president, it can't change what is going on. If election will change it, Ojukwu will not go to Ghana to sign a Aburi Accord with Gowon. Ojukwu knew that who becomes the president can't change this. There must be amendment, there must be disruption, there must be changeover. Things can't continue in this. So if you like, put Angel Asorok there. The Angel can't change anything. No. This country is beyond repair. Anybody telling you that a person is so can come there and change things, you know that the person is deceiving you. Why? Don't blame the person. The person don't know Nigeria. If I look at so many people at the national television, I laugh. These people don't know Nigeria. They don't know Nigeria. When I mean they don't know Nigeria, they don't know Nigeria. Now, let us understand what actually transpired. Nigeria's secret police, the Department of State Service DSS, had warned of an imminent attack on communities in Benue and Nasarawa states before 13 June violence that killed over 200 people, including farmers and internally displaced persons. The DSS communicated this, that Benue State and also Nasarawa State, that attacks are coming to this state. A leaked DSS memo dated 13 May and addressed to Moses Gara, commander of Operation Whirl Stroke, detailed intelligence on suspected Fulani militias planning assaults on several settlements. The DSS told the military that Fulani people are coming to kill Benue people. And I believe that it was Fulani army personnel officer that received the letter. The article continues. Among those listed was Yelawata in Guma local government area, Benue State, one of the communities later attacked. And I think if Nigeria is supposed to be a real place, yeah, there's supposed to be a bloody revolution now. There's supposed to be a bloody revolution. We don't have the kind of people that always talk sense and open Nigerians mentality. We don't have them anymore. The likes of Nnamdi Kanu. You see, the reason why they continue to hold this man is because if Nnamdi Kanu was still available, if he's not in detention, let me tell you what's supposed to happen with all these shenanigans going on. He will be at the radio Biafra telling Nigerians about what he wanted and what they ought to do. That was the reason why they said, never this person let us hold this man so that we'll be able to advance, because he's teaching the people, he's lecturing the people. The article continued. The memo stated, reports indicate that they have been holding a series of meetings in Akpanaja, Rukuhi and Andori settlements in Doma local government area and have stationed their men at designated forests for a coordinated offensive against the thief communities. It continued, the militias are currently hibernating at Amako and Egbabo forest located between Makoma and Doka villages in Doma local government area and Ikom forest, located few kilometers away from Yerwata, Udei, Ukoho, and Kadako railway in Kiena local government area, and are planning to attack Agota, Gwere West and Gwere East part of Makodi local government area, as well as Guma and local communities, all in Benue State. Now, I am very serious to what I'm saying now. If Nigeria is like China, CDS Musa, army chief, they will be facing firing squad. These people will be facing firing squad. The communities, the civilian studio. Now, don't take civilians serious. Let's say it's just civilians. They don't know how to gather intelligence. Let us put it in that way. The Department of State Service, if it is in America, that is Homeland Security. Okay? Now, or even FBI or CIA. They told, for example, Pentagon, that Iranians, I'm giving an example, sorry to my Iranian friends. Iranians are coming to attack Washington, and the Pentagon suppressed the memo, suppressed the information. And later they came to Pentagon and attack and kill more than 200 people. And the FBI will come and say, look at the memo. We told Pentagon that this was about to happen. They didn't do anything. From that day, the person will be in prison. The Pentagon chief will be in prison, first of all. The whole hierarchy will be on sack. I am telling you, if it is in China, they won't look back to fire him. They will kill you. You are colluding with terrorists to kill the people. And CDS was in Benue State saying that the Benue people are giving their women to terrorists. Is that what they were asking you? No. He went to the national television. He started saying, to my own opinion, we must fence Nigeria before Nigeria can be safe. When you got an intelligence that they are going to annihilate people, you kept quiet. According to the cable, the DSS noted that the planned attack were to revenge the alleged seizure of cows by the state government. So the sin of the state government now was what they put on these people. And who owns the cattle? The people who owns the cattle are the senators in the House of Senate. About 4 senators own all these cattle. All these cows. Sorry for that mistake. You understand? So if people in the National Assembly owns the cattle that made these people to come and attack, the Reverend Father was saying the truth first before they shut him up when he said people who are sponsoring this attack are in the National Assembly. He said the memo also warned of coordinated attacks on thief settlement and border communities between Nasarawa and Benue State by suspected armed Fulani mercenaries. And after the attack, the governor said these people have gone the way of Nasarawa. I'm just trying to tell you that all these people know what is going on. In May, OPWS Commander Moses Gara held a high-level meeting in Makurdi with leaders of the Militias Cattle Breeders Association of Nigeria over the spate of violence in the state. This is the same Militias leader that was charged for treason. They brought him to Abuja. Within 2 weeks, he was released. Lawal Osabo, Acting Assistant Director of Army Public Relations 401 Special Forces Brigade and Sector 1 OPWS, said on 28 May that the meeting involved security agencies and local government authorities and addressed persistent threats like retaliatory attacks, kidnapping, and cattle rustling. This is the end of the article from the Sahara Reporters. And as you can see, the news is everywhere on cable, on Chinese television, on TVC News, and so on and so forth. I will still repeat what I'm saying, that CDS is supposed to be facing a firing squad, that the military got the intelligence through the Department of State Service, and they refused to act. It's equivalent that the military are the ones who kill the Benue people, and that is where I stop my point, because I'm a conflict reporter. We deal with the source, not the causes. Now, if the military was ready to help these people, that attack will not happen. It will never. It shouldn't have happened. But for the best reason known to them, they kept quiet and allowed people to die for nothing. May the souls of those who died rest in peace.